Hello YouTube family. I had to do this because every time I come to my Gigi's, I don't record it all the time, but this cat loves me, watch. Hi baby. Meow meow. Mrs. Meowsers. Come on. She's very shy. She won't let any of the kids besides my daughter come up to her. She's a beauty. But check it. Bless you, mama. But she, check it out. She likes to hide in Gigi's plants. Trees, I mean. I called them plants. It's all wet under there. And she's got all this. It's like a little mini jungle out here for her. See?
Oh, that she likes the soccer ball because she puts her claws on it.
See? It's like a mini jungle out here for her. Oh, nice. Now she's letting you guys come up to her.
She's always letting us.
Yeah, that she has.
She just had to get used to us.
Here, back off and let him go up. Because I haven't seen... Oh, good job.
Because that, when we were talking about school, she was over there.
Yeah, she came right up.
Good girl. She was really shy, everybody. That's
and then
really
she was licking
good.
us.
Oh no, not again.
What happened? What, Mr. Jealous?
No, I shouldn't have.
Oh, your hands? My daughter's allergic to everyone. When she touches cats, her hands start swelling up. It's okay.
I want to pet them.
Well, that was cool. I was able to capture that on camera. Because every time I've tried, she's always ran away from them.
And to that, she can climb up on trees.
She's a good girl. What's her name?
Hale.
Hell,
We named her Hale.
Oh, her name's Hale.
Because she's like gray
I just
and
called
white.
her Mrs. Meowsers.
We named her Hale because
yeah.
she's gray and white.
her name is
We were thinking of naming her Snowball.
Yeah.
Instead we named her Hale.
I don't know, everybody. I love cats. I love
We
dogs.
should have named
I love
her
animals
Snow.
in general. I can just record animals all day.
Where did that work from a movie?
Come on, buddy. You're still in the show. I'm trying to get the star of the show. This is for all the cat lovers out there. Who wants to record Daddy playing with the cat?
Me. Look.
Oh, you don't trust me? You don't trust me like that yet. Come here. Come here. I'll scratch that for you. Here, I'll scratch you. You want that scratch? Like that? Oh, yeah, you love that. That's what you want. Oh, mama, yeah. Yeah, I'll scratch that for you. You just gotta tell me.
What in the world is that?
Oh, you loving that. She is purring.
Dad, I
Big
should be a
time.
cameraman.
You love that. Oh, mama. That's what you want to scratch, baby?
I was zooming into
Scratch
it.
that all day, mama. I scratch you all day. Yes, I'll give you lovies all day. I give my pets at home lovies all day. There we go. Now she trusts me. See? Told you, everybody. I have a gift with animals. I have a gift. Like my daughter, Shalina.
That can go around?
No, I want to see. I want to try to get her.
I can see her. Can go around?
Go around. I'm going to see if I can get her belly.
Yeah, this is a better angle.
That's one thing we haven't accomplished yet. No one's been able to pet her belly.
Yeah, we have.
No, that's hard.
I have.
Shh, you're scaring
When
her.
you guys have never
You're
been.
breaking her trust. You're breaking her trust.
Some.
Oh, Dad.
Oh, that was my fault. I'm sorry. That was my fault. I overstepped my boundaries. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You forgive me?
She wanted to play.
You forgive me?
We have to buy
See,
cat.
she rolls over for me, but I can't get to her because it's crunchy right here, and I scare her every time I do
Whoa,
it.
whoa, 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 whoa. Dad, I'm getting this all on
Can you come
camera.
over to me, Mama?
You. Daddy, you have to call her back.
Say hello, Dad.
Okay, here. Let me break it off right there. Here, no, here. I gotta tell everybody here. Let me see, cameraman.
I got all the footage. You good?
Good job, buddy. I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. This is just a random playing with the cat video. She's such a good girl. And I don't know if you all remember from a video a while back where she was just a little baby. She's looking really good right now. So this is for all your cat lovers. Bye, baby. I'll see you soon. I'll give her another pet. She's so beautiful. She's just so beautiful, everybody. Okay. I'll cut it off. Like I said, I can record playing with animals all day.
You play with the dogs all night.
I know. You got to. You got to give them attention. I give you guys attention, give the animals attention. Got to make everybody happy. I got to give my YouTube family attention, especially you special someones.
Cause Daddy stay.
You know who I'm talking about.
With the pets.
Hey, Dad. Dad,
Hmm.
can we show them Lizzie?
Mm-mm. Okay, everybody. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you all soon. Peace, love, respect, and honor, everybody.